traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5. I think that we're either going to make an A, B, C correct into this last 5 waves up, which would lead to a continuation of the uptrend, or if this really is a wave 5 like it looks like it is, it's probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will eventually take out the low of wave 4. So keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is likely a wave A or a wave 1. I still think that eventually it should make its way up for either a wave B or a wave 2. Now I label it like this because for me the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave A, wave 1, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. The trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B, wave 2, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it's still hard to say whether the trend really did turn up. I mean, I think that we are likely now in an uptrend, which I think is either the wave B or the wave 2. I think this is actually a wave wave B, and a wave C of either wave B or wave 2. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement right here because these Fib levels are definitely going to be areas of resistance. Even if this thing does continue to trend up, which I do think it's going to, these Fibonacci levels are probably going to be areas where the market does make a bounce. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move to the upside. I think this is a crescent to this last move up. I mean, it already looks like it's a wave A. It already looks like it made 3 waves up for wave B. It already looks like a wave C. All we really need to do is see a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, a nice break of structure, and that is definitely what I'm going to take as another long entry for the continuation of this uptrend. As long as it does not go down and break structure, the trend is up, and I'm definitely primarily looking for longs in a uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.